Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create gradient background in Canva, easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to get started, just head on to canva.com, choose in your template to get redirected here onto the editing page. So to create a gradient, there are a lot of options to choose from. So for the first step, you could go here onto the elements and just simply type in gradient in here to view the different gradients that they offer. Let's try one first. So you could see that one here on graphics or photos, or you could click onto all to view all of the search results. For example, this gradient, you'll just need to go ahead and click onto that and then resize this to go ahead and make use of this one as your background. And that's just basically it, the first step on how you create a gradient background. Right after, if you want to directly create a gradient background, you'll just need to simply click onto this. Click onto background color here onto the upper part, and there should be options to you to change the color in here. If you scroll down further, there is already gradients that are available for you to use. And if you click onto that, it should go ahead and directly change the color of the background to the gradient that you have chosen. So just choose onto anything that you want in here. You could also add in a new color for that. So you could create your own gradient color. Just choose the first color here, like this one, red. And for the other one, you could choose green, just like that, easily. And that is just basically it, how you create a gradient background in Canva. Easy Canva tutorial. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.